Rashmika Mandanna recently opened up about her journey in the film industry, reflecting on the challenges and triumphs she has experienced over the past 8 years. I am immensely grateful for everything the past 8 years have brought into my life. As I step into my 9th year, my hope is to continue growing both as an actor and as a person by embracing new experiences and continually learning along the way, Rashmika shared. She admits that the road has not always been smooth but emphasizes how fulfilling it has been. Looking back, the journey has always been easy, but it has been incredibly fulfilling. There is still so much I want to explore and achieve, and I truly believe the path ahead is filled with opportunities for growth, discovery, and new experiences. I am excited to keep moving forward and see where it takes me. With fame comes scrutiny, and Rashmika has learned to differentiate between constructive feedback and negativity. Over the years, I have definitely learned to differentiate between noise and constructive criticism, especially when it comes to my craft. Of course, there are days when certain things I read don't feel great. I'm human and it does affect me at times. Despite the challenges, support from her loved ones keeps her motivated. But then there are also days when I feel incredibly grateful for the people in my life who lift me up and remind me of how far I've come and see the Gata in me. Like I've said before, that this was ever part of a plan. I never imagined I would be here doing what I love. So to have reached this point, maybe I am doing something right, and that thought along with the support I receive is what keeps me going. Rashmika's choices in her career continue to be intuitive. I've always been someone who goes after things that truly aligns with me, whether it's choosing a film script or making any other important decision in life. I rely a lot on instinct, and if something feels right in my heart, that's usually the path I end up taking. Let her instincts guide her, let her experience help her sharpen her vision. What has evolved is the understanding of what kind of impact I want to create through my work. With experience, the lens through which I evaluate opportunities has become sharper. But the foundation of staying true to myself has always remained the same, and that's how it will always be. While rumors about her reuniting with Vijay Deverakonda have been making headlines, Rashmika has chosen not to comment on the speculation. Summing up every unexpected yet rewarding career path, Rashmika said, "Acting was never part of some grand plan. I never imagined I would become an actor one day, but I did, and I am so thankful that life unfolded the way it did. I genuinely wouldn't have it any ought."
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.